my parents were also a little reluctant because I have grandparents at home, that risk is always there.
Parents worried about things like, are the children getting too much screen time?
I missed being in school, being with my friends, being with my teachers. I didn't have any hesitation because our school actually released a video for the whole school community about all the measures that our school is taking. You know, sanitizers, proper checks, one-way corridors, everything. So there was we all got to see what school was going to be like before we actually came back to school. So that really reassured me as well as my parents.
Before that, I think I should mention this, that the parents were called in and they were shown what is the protocol and how is it being implemented. Once they were satisfied, once they gave their consent, that's when the kids came back, that's when the teachers came back.
Initially, I did have a doubt about coming back to school. My parents were also a little reluctant because I have grandparents at home, that risk is always there. So they didn't send me for that initial period of 1 week, and the other students did go. And the feedback that we had received was super positive, so that built their confidence, and then finally I decided to go.
It's difficult for me to get through my point because of the masks that we are wearing. We also have those PVC sheets. If you look in classes, we're supposed to stand in a particular area. We can't move around in class that much. So we're accustomed to doing that, but yeah, we have to stop and be aware all the time.
It's definitely a much different feeling. Just not even learning like from your classroom, like not even just actually learning the syllabus, but just being in school, just being with your friends, being with your teachers. I think that's a much better experience, which in turn helps your understanding of the concept and the syllabus.
So initially it was great. I was so glad that school had ended. It was like an early summer vacation almost. But then, you know, as time went on, we realized that it's long term and we began to miss school. Like, school was something we spent more time at than at home even. So it was a huge part of our lives, and when it had been suddenly pulled out, it was sort of unnerving.
Physical school, there's nothing that can supplement or say substitute rather a physical space. So it was just the teacher talk time most of the time. So we kept talking for 45 minutes. There was not much reciprocation. But I think when the kids understood that this is how it is going to be, we adapted well.
Parents worried about things like, are the children getting too much screen time? Is it going to affect their eyesight? Things like that.
Earlier, not even just studying, but meeting people, that was always physical. But now everything was on your phone and on your laptop. So it did cause, firstly, like physical disturbances, like to my eyes, and then we weren't getting enough exercise, and all of that did lead to mental adverse effects.
So I'm glad that before the boards, the children have time to be back at school and feel normal and ask their teachers what they need to and interact together, because that's really needed before the boards.
Yeah, so I am well prepared for my board examination since our school has consistently been having exams even though it's online.
Definitely I'm less prepared, but as I mentioned earlier, because we have been given extra time by the board and the allowance of us to come to school, I think that's going to really help me, and it has already helped me to become prepared for my exams. But I know that lots of people won't have that opportunity, which is just another thing that India will have to bear this year.